Hey everybody, I'm here at TedHair, and I just want to let y'all know, like, they have one of the best top quality hair in Atlanta. I am a wholesaler, so I love coming here, just racking up on my bundles. They have frontals, closures, lashes, wigs, and it's great quality. You know, HD, no shedding, very light but thick, full, just how you like it. You know, my customers, they always come back and like, where did you get your hair? Where did you get your hair? I recommend everyone come to TedHair and get one of their top quality hairs. I mean, if you're a wholesaler or retail, they offer both deals for whatever, you know, you're liking. Whatever you need, they have it. They have 613, 1B, all textures. My favorite is body wave because it's just so full, so fluffy. So yeah, whenever you get a chance, come on Buford Highway, stop by Ted's Hair and get you some bundles.